Welcome everyone. Breakout sessions are intended to be short and sweet, so let me get right to it. My name is Andreas Gebhard. I run Forward Momentum, a consultancy for startups or startup-like teams in bigger enterprises, and I'm the co-founder of the TCN Coalition that created and published the TCN protocol, and that became an umbrella organization supporting this entire EN community after the introduction of GAEN. In this community, I'm primarily a coalition builder and advisor. Let's talk about one of the big questions that's relevant for all of us: how to gain and increase app adoption. Ready? You have to advertise and market your app as a desirable product. That's it. And even though we heard from Alyssa that even low adoption rates already help bring down infections and death rates, you're really aiming for the 60% or higher adoption rate. Very simply, in order to achieve this, you'll have to run marketing campaigns that appeal to a wide variety of user personas. The early adopters and tech savvy. Those who want to do the right thing for the greater good. Those who want to protect their family and loved ones. Those who only care about themselves. Those who primarily care about the economy. Those who listen to their chosen celebrities, influencers, athletes, musicians, actors, and others. And for these groups, you'll have to address the concerns they tend to have in order to facilitate the adoption, just like Alyssa mentioned. Some of these users will be swayed by the benefits of using the app, be it to themselves or to society. Some will be persuaded when you can alleviate their concerns about privacy or tap into their trust of the official provider. And many of them will need to hear about technology aspects, everything from concerns about battery life to how accurate is this. Here are some examples of the ad campaign that was launched in Germany. You saw these on billboards and bus stops in print. They look boring and serious, appropriate for the way this topic is handled and discussed in German society. They appeal to the viewer's sense of privacy, their desire to help. They state simple facts and appeal to a sense of community. Other audiences may react to other messaging and perhaps other designs. And budgets certainly play a role too, because make no mistake, getting this right requires an effort absolutely on par with the effort that went into building the app, figuring out the intricacies of the protocol, and convincing the government to launch an app in the first place. You'll need aspects of brand campaigns, which are designed to introduce a brand, raise awareness, and reinforce recognition. Aspects of actual product marketing, focusing on features and benefits of the app, keying off the concerns UX research uncovers, like Alyssa mentioned in her talk. And you'll need aspects of PR, which ensures the right facts are communicated in public media, to name just a few. If you're the PHA, the implementer, this is your job. At the very least, it's your job to coordinate. If you're the app developing team, maybe this isn't your direct job, but you could help your client, the implementer, with templates and checklists for all of this. And you may even have to motivate and convince your client to run these campaigns. Ultimately, this should be handled by a local or regional ad agency that knows their audience, like the German examples show. And then there's word of mouth. It's the bonus you earn when you get all these other things right, and is one of the most powerful tools in a marketer's arsenal. This is a real screenshot of my app as it's running, taken a few minutes ago. I'm currently in Berlin, but I had to jump through a few hoops to set it up since I have a US App Store account. But now that it's running, the big green box does give me confidence. So when I talk to others about the app, I'll be likely to highlight my positive experience, the benefits, and the fact that there are no battery issues to speak of. We've heard a lot about technology today, but you have to look at the big picture to deliver the full promise of Bluetooth proximity-based, privacy-preserving exposure notification. And a professional marketing and communications campaign is part of this. So let's discuss how to increase app adoption. I'm looking forward to the conversation in this breakout session. Thank you all for participating and for your efforts in this space in general.